5 simultaneous pōwhiri by inmates to Te Wānanga o Aotearoa and Department of Corrections staff at 5 different prisons signalled the launch of Te Waharoa. Te Waharoa is a Level 2 national certificate in Māori and NCA Levels 1 and 2 in programs including literacy and numeracy that is being delivered by Te Wānanga o Aotearoa in Te Tirohanga units. The Waharoa program will support a corrections goal of slashing Te Tirohanga Māori prisoner reoffending rates by more than a third by the end of 2017. It combines with Corrections' 18-month Te Tirohanga National Program that provides comprehensive targeted services within a tikanga Māori framework.
I'm excited about today's launch. It just gives us another dimension to work in rehabilitation, but more importantly reintegrating our mauhere back to their whānau, back to their hapu, back to their marae.
Te Waharoa aims to assist Corrections' goal of cutting the reoffending rate of Māori prisoners within Te Tirohanga units from 50% to 35% by reconnecting them with their culture, providing them with foundation qualifications and rebuilding their relationships with whānau. Te Wānanga o Aotearoa kaiako Dion Ormsby is up for the challenge of teaching inmates who have found education difficult in the past.
Learning is easy. Give power to that thought.
I wanted to teach in a primary school, but I truly believe that they're already on a pathway. Coming into this mahi in the prison, not all of them are well directed, but I believe this is, for me, when my kaiakotanga starts with our mauhere, to give them that opportunity to be able to revisit that part of their life.
Dion, like the 4 other kaiako teaching in Tongariro, Hawke's Bay, Whanganui and Rimutaka prisons, are aware that most of their tauira are under 25, have no secondary or tertiary qualifications and have low levels of literacy. He says it's about helping his tauira be more relaxed about learning.
In the unit standards delivery, I think we look at, with the tauira, more about the relaxation of themselves prior to the learning. That way, if they are relaxed into this mahi, it's easier for them to learn.
Kaumātua Tihima Ripi has more than 30 years of working with inmates in prisons and believes that the combined skills and resources of both organisations could make the difference in reducing Māori reoffending.
Engari ke whiwhi mātou I tētahi tari pēnei I te Wānanga o Aotearoa ka haere mai ki te taha I a mātou ki te tautoko I te kaupapa nei. I te mutunga kei a rātou, ngā tiwhikete, hei whai mo ngā tātou tāne I roto I wēnei whare, hei aha I piki ngāke mo rātou ki ngā taumata e keikei I te mutunga o tō rātou noho I roto I tēnei whare.
While landing a job may not be an immediate reality for inmates upon being released to the community, Te Waharoa will at least give inmates the foundation skills to further their education. Te Anganathan, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.